Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach English reader book. The topic is the poem Rain in Summer. Students of class 3rd D, open your book, English reader book, poem Rain in Summer, page number 72. Lesson 11, Rain in Summer. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Across the window pane it pours and swift and wide, with a muddy tide. Like a river down the gutter rolls the rain, the welcome rain, by Henry Wordsworth Longfellow. Here in the poem, the poet describes about the rain. He says, how beautiful is the rain after the dust and the heat. Everybody are relaxed and they have cool atmosphere. In the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain. It means everywhere on the road, in the street, in the lanes, the rain is falling. How it clatters along the roof. What do you mean by clatters? Sounds like many things hitting one another, like the tramp of hoofs. It means when the rain falls on the roof, it sounds like the tramp of roofs. That means the horses. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. From the roof, it comes down the drain pipe. Across the window pane, then you see water falling through the window pane. It pours and swift and wide. It is always seen when it rains, the air is blowing, the wind is blowing, and the movement of the water seems shifting here and there. With a muddy tide. The rainwater contains mud. Like a river down the gutter rolls the rain, the welcome rain. Everybody welcomes the rain because it gives relief from heat and dust. And therefore, we always like to have rain. When it pours heavily, the schools are closed. Small children enjoy playing in the rain, running in the water, puddles of water, and they love it. Children, you will learn this poem and then you will write the poem in the notebook. So there are some question answers which I am sending you. What are the words in the poem that describe the streets? The words in the poem describe the streets are broad, fairy, and narrow. The rain clatters along the roofs like the tramps of hoofs. The tramps of hoofs. Fill the blanks with describing words from the poem. The rain is beautiful. The lane is narrow. The tide is muddy. What is the meaning of welcome rain? The meaning is because it gives us relief from the dust and heat. Do you think the poet likes the rain? Why? The poet likes the rain because it brings freshness to the atmosphere by modifying the temperature. That means गर्मी से राहत मिलना, गर्मी से राहत मिलना. Or children, you will write the poem and you will write all the exercises in your notebook in a very clear, neat handwriting. Okay, children? Bye. Thank you.